Welcome to Foxtecc. If videos aren't playing on your iPhone, whether in the Photos app, on YouTube, or anywhere else, there are a few things you can check to fix the issue. Sometimes it's a simple connection problem, while other times it might be a software glitch. Let's go through the steps to get your videos working again. First, figure out whether the video actually requires an internet connection to play. YouTube and other streaming services obviously need internet, but even videos stored in your Photos app might not be saved directly on your device. If your videos are stored in iCloud, your iPhone has to download them before playing. Make sure you have a stable internet connection and check if the video is stored locally by looking for the small cloud icon next to it. If it's not downloaded yet, tap it and wait for it to fully load before trying to play it again. If internet access isn't the issue, try basic troubleshooting steps. Restarting your iPhone is always a good first step because it clears out temporary system glitches that could be interfering with video playback. Simply turn your iPhone off and back on, then try playing the video again. If that doesn't work, check for software updates by going to Settings, General Software Update, and installing any available updates. Sometimes a simple iOS update can fix bugs affecting media playback. Another thing to try is playing the video in a different app. If it won't play in the Photos app, try opening it in Files, or if it's stored in iCloud, you can log into iCloud through Safari and attempt to play it from there. This helps determine whether the issue is with the video file itself or just the app you're trying to use. Some media files might not be fully compatible with the default player, but using a different method can sometimes bypass that issue. That's how you can troubleshoot and fix videos not playing on your iPhone. Hopefully one of these solutions worked for you. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Foxtecc for more iPhone tips. Thanks for watching and see you later.